Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. It's been a while I have posted tutorials, so here it goes. The look I'm gonna share today is a very classy, glowy, vintage English kind of look with dark smoky eyes, glossy nude lips and all. So let's not wait another minute and jump into it. One more thing, if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. So let's get started. So here I start with priming my face with the No Pore Blem Primer by Touch in Sol. Since I'm done with my cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine, this primer helps to blur out the uneven textures and leaves a very smooth feeling. So you can see I'm just taking a tiny amount of the product and I'm using my fingers to blend it out gradually all over my face. The next, moving on to the foundation, I'm using this foundation stick from Makeup Revolution in the shade F8. So first I'm gonna apply it evenly all over my face and then blend it out with a kabuki brush. This foundation is a bit oily, so people with oily skin, please stay away from it. So far I'm really happy with the coverage and the kind of finish it provides, though I had to apply a second layer of it to cover up my scars and pigmentations, else it's amazing. The next, I'm moving on to the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10 to cover up my dark circles and other marks on my face. I didn't go for the color correction this time as the marks are not that bad right now, so it's better not to add unnecessary layers as it can make your makeup look cakey. And here, to avoid more creases, I'm using this translucent powder from NYX to set the concealed areas. Moving on to my brows, I'm using this Total Temptation brow pencil from Maybelline in the shade Deep Brown, which is my absolute favorite from the drugstore brands. It also comes with a tiny spoolie attached to its end so that it's very handy, and this product is perfectly pigmented for the brows and gives a very natural finish. And here you can see I'm using this spoolie to even out this color. It makes your brows look very natural and non-patchy. And then to set my brows and to make it look dense, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate Brown, and we'll use just a little bit of it from the middle to the end of my brows, and then we'll spread it out with a spoolie again just to make sure there are no lumps left. For contouring my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour palette. This is my another favorite pocket friendly powder contour palette, and I'll use it to provide my face a little more definition. And here I'm using the same concealer once again from Makeup Revolution to highlight the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, the chin and the forehead. And now I'm using this powder from the same Wet n Wild contour palette to make my cheekbones look a little bit uplifted. For my blush, I'm using this one from Maybelline Fit Me to add some color to my cheeks so that my face doesn't look bland. For my eyes, I'll start off with this Inglot Gel Liner in black. We'll start off with drawing a thin line first. We'll then smudge it off with a tiny pencil brush. And this liner is very smooth, so it's very easy to smudge it off. Here I'm using my absolute favorite Morphe 35O Nature's Glow palette. It has some amazing combinations of nudes, and I'm taking this brown to create that crease area. Since I have hooded eyes, just make sure you blend it thoroughly so that it doesn't look patchy. And here I'm drawing a thin wing to make my eyes look more defined, and then I'll again smudge it for a smoky look. And you can see I'm using Inglot Gel Liner once again. The next, I will start with the leftover on my brush to have a smoky lower lash line, and then we'll keep adding a little bit of liner every time, and we'll again keep smudging it. So once it's done, I'll use this caramel brown to get an ombre smoky lower lash line so that everything looks well blended, smooth and non-patchy. And then the shimmery brick color would go on my inner lid. Here I'm using my finger to apply it, but you can also use a flat brush if you want. Here I'm going in with this dark shade to intensify the outer corner of my lid, so I'll use this thin blending brush to blend the shade on the outer corner. And now I'll use this kajal from NYX to fill the lower and the upper waterlines of my eyes to make it look more intense. And finally, I'll give my lashes a good curl and then we'll apply an even coat of this voluminous carbon black mascara by L'Oreal. This is another favorite from the drugstore brands. Here you can also use falsies after these if you want, but I just wanted to keep it simple, so I'm skipping it here. And now comes my favorite part, which is highlighting, and here I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold and will apply it on the highest planes of my face. This is my favorite product. It comes in a budget friendly range and it gives a very natural finish. And lastly, I'll use a generous amount of the setting spray from PAC and a little more highlighter on top of it. For my lips, I'll apply an even coat of lip balm first and then we'll go in with World from MAC. This is my most favorite nude lipstick. Thinking of nude lipsticks, the first thing that comes to my mind is World. Both the shade and the formula is lovely. It's matte but still it adds that needed moisture to your lips. And then to add that shine, I will use this lip gloss from Essence, which will enhance my lips and will provide a glass shine effect. And here the look comes to an end. I really hope you liked it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please do like, share and subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.